da, croeso nôl. Croeso i'r Eisteddfod Amgen. Croeso i wers 5. Croeso i lesson 5. Helen dwi. Shwd i ti? Dwi'n hoffi coffi. Dwi ddim yn hoffi te. Yn yr Eisteddfod, dwi'n hoffi gwylio'r corau. Dwi'n hoffi gwylio'r seremoni. A dwi'n hoffi yfed yn y bar. Hope you understood all that. It was yesterday's recap. Nawr te. Yesterday, we actually had a lot of new vocabulary. So heddiw, dim geiriau newydd. No new vocab today. Let's do a little recap of some of yesterday's vocab. Okay. Pysgod. Cawl. Te. Pêl-droed. And the Eisteddfod vocab was to sing, canu, to write, ysgrifennu, and to drink in the bar. Yfed yn y bar. We also looked at pop singing, canu pop, folk singing, canu gwerin. Remember the T gwerin? Canu gwerin. So folk dancing, dawnsio gwerin. Da iawn. So heddiw, we'll relearn that vocab with some new grammar. Today is dydd Mercher, more than halfway through the Eisteddfod. Dydd Sul, Gwers 2, I said that we have 2 words in Welsh for ti a chi. Since then, I've been using ti, speaking to one of you only, really. So, heddiw, chi. Chi. Do you remember the word for 6? Chwech, where we had ch at the beginning and the end. Well, the formal U is chi. Chi. And instead of wyt ti, we ask, dych chi? Dych chi? Dych chi? Dych chi? It's actually 2 words. Dych chi. North Wales, dach chi. Dych chi. But they blend together. Dych chi. So, have a listen. Dych chi'n hoffi? Dych chi'n hoffi? Dych chi'n hoffi? Dych chi'n hoffi? Do you like? You try it. Dych chi'n hoffi? Okay, and now ask me, do I like these things? Yeah, you can use chi with me today. Bit of respect, please. Chi. Dych chi'n hoffi bisgedi? Curry. Dych chi'n hoffi curry? Dych chi'n hoffi pizza? Sglods. Dych chi'n hoffi sglods? Sorry. Dych chi'n hoffi bara? Dych chi'n hoffi brechdanau? Dych chi'n hoffi cacen? Dych chi'n hoffi rygbi? Dych chi'n hoffi pêl-droed? Dych chi'n hoffi cawl? Dych chi'n hoffi te? Yn yr Eisteddfod, ask me, do you like singing? Dych chi'n hoffi canu? Do you like dancing? Dych chi'n hoffi dawnsio? Do you like writing? Dych chi'n hoffi ysgrifennu? Do you like drinking in the bar? Dych chi'n hoffi yfed yn y bar? Do you like choirs? Dych chi'n hoffi corau? And I can still answer, because you're talking just to me. Ydw, nac ydw. Ydw, dwi'n hoffi corau. Nac ydw. Dwi ddim yn hoffi corau. Answer my questions truthfully. I'm going to use chi as a sign of respect to you now. Dych chi'n hoffi cawl? Ydw, dwi'n hoffi cawl. Nac ydw. Dwi ddim yn hoffi cawl. Dych chi'n hoffi rygbi? Ydw, dwi'n hoffi rygbi. Nac ydw. Dwi ddim yn hoffi rygbi. Dych chi'n hoffi ysgrifennu? Ydw, dwi'n hoffi ysgrifennu. Nac ydw. Dwi ddim yn hoffi ysgrifennu. Ydw. But if I'm using this form for more than one person, which is very common, think about the Eisteddfod stage. Yn y pavilion, we'd have Myrddin ap Dafydd, the Archdruid, addressing us all. He would never say ti, he'd be saying chi. He'd probably, if everyone was given, he'd probably say, diolch yn fawr I chi. Yeah, thank you all very much. Diolch yn fawr I chi. Yeah, so chi is useful. And we answer on behalf of ourselves and someone else sometimes. So just me, ydw, but if I'm answering on behalf of myself and someone else, that ydw becomes ydyn. We very rarely say yes or no in Cymraeg. Ydw actually means I do. Ydyn, we do. Ydyn, 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 ydyn. Or of course, nac ydyn, nac ydyn, nac ydyn, nac ydyn. Pretend you're answering on behalf of more than one person and follow my ydyns, nac ydyns. Ydyn, ydyn, nac ydyn, 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 nac ydyn, nac ydyn, nac ydyn, ydyn. Da iawn. So, I'm going to ask you a question. If you see one of my little ladies answer ydw or nac ydw, truthfully. If I show you both of my little ladies, you answer ydyn or nac ydyn. Again, truthfully. Okay. Dych chi'n hoffi te? Ydw, nac ydw. Dych chi'n yfed te? Ydw, nac ydw. Dych chi'n yfed te? Ydyn, nac ydyn. Dych chi'n gwylio S4C? S4C? Dych chi'n gwylio S4C? Ydyn, nac ydyn. Dych chi'n gwylio Newsnight? Ydw, nac ydw. Dych chi'n gwylio Strictly? Ydw, nac ydw. Dych chi'n gwylio Pobl y Cwm? Ydyn, nac ydyn. Dych chi'n bwyta cyrri? Ydyn, nac ydyn. Dych chi'n bwyta cawl? Ydyn, nac ydyn. Dych chi'n bwyta pasta? Ydyn, nac ydyn. Dych chi'n yfed coffi? Ydw, nac ydw. Dych chi'n yfed coffi? Ydyn, nac ydyn. Dych chi'n canu? Ydyn, nac ydyn. Dych chi'n canu? Ydw, nac ydw. Da iawn. So, something new. Ydych chi, for plural or sign of respect, And if we're answering as a singular, ydw. But if we're answering on behalf of ourselves and someone else, ydyn nac ydyn. So, think of some of the other lessons we've had. How would you ask me how I am using ti? Should wyt ti? So, at the top of the lesson, I've been asking you, should I ti? Should wyt ti? That'll change tomorrow when I'll say, should I chi? Because hopefully there's more than un watching, yeah? Should I chi? Ask me where I am. Ble wyt ti? So to change that to the chi, very easy. Ble dych chi? Ble dych chi? Listen. Ble dych chi'n dysgu Cymraeg? Ble dych chi'n dysgu Cymraeg? Da iawn. Ble dych chi'n dysgu Cymraeg? So, not a lot today because we did so much vocab yesterday. But one more number. So we've had 1 to 6 so far. You help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. S for 7, s for 7. 7. 7. 7. Do the sums. 6 adio 1. 7. 4 adio 3. 7. 5 adio 2. 7. 5 adio 1. 6. Da iawn. Diolch. Diolch yn fawr I chi. Dych chi. Do you like? Dych chi'n hoffi? Do you watch? Dych chi'n gwylio? Dych chi'n bwyta? Dych chi'n yfed? Dych chi'n canu? Dych chi'n dawnsio? Dych chi'n ysgrifennu? Ydw? Ydyn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl. Gwelai chi fory.